Meran lawn support machine is a mechanical equipment specially designed for the production of lawn support. Here is a detailed description of the device. Structural features. Meran lawn support machine is made of high-strength steel, stable structure. PLC CNC control programming data is more accurate. At the same time, the device has a NC programming mobile design, which is convenient to move and walk in different positions of the machine arc. Functional features. Meran lawn support machine has automatic production function, can quickly and accurately manufacture various specifications of lawn support. In addition, the equipment is also equipped with a variety of safety protection devices, such as emergency stop button, overload protection, etc., to ensure safe operation. Scope of application. Meran lawn support machine is suitable for making various types of lawn support, such as football fields, golf courses, parks, and so on. The equipment can also be customized according to customer needs. Different specifications of lawn support machine. Operation mode. Meran lawn support machine is simple to operate. An intelligent touch screen is easy to understand. Operators can master the operation and maintenance of equipment only after simple training. Maintenance. Meran lawn support machine needs to pay attention to regular maintenance and cleaning in daily use to ensure the normal operation and service life of the equipment. In short, Meran lawn support machine is an efficient, safe and practical mechanical equipment which can meet the needs of different customers. If you are looking for a high-quality lawn support machine, then Meran lawn support machine will be a good choice for you.